Hi, welcome to Mentor Kia. My name is Nate Ferris, where we utilize a UVeye system, which is a fantastic tool for our service department and our service aisle that is able to pick up high-resolution shots of the undercarriage of the vehicle that helps cut down on our wait time for the technicians to diagnose certain problems, oil leaks. It gives real-time, up-to-date tire pressure readings, tread depth measurements. So how does it work? Great question. What you're going to do is pull through our UVeye system, wait for the green light to initiate, and you're just going to roll through and watch the cameras flash underneath you. So what is a real-time example of UVeye system in use? A couple weeks ago we had a client come in that had some damage to the right side of the inner fender well. Well, we had before and after shots because of the UVeye system that documented and notated with visual evidence that that was already damaged prior to arriving at the dealership, which is another cost-saving tool for us locally at the dealership level to be able to point out different defects or maybe different collisions that have happened that they are unaware of, and we can go back and refer to these videos and photographs as needed.